Hey guys, I'm super excited for this video because I've been wanting to make over my desk forever and I finally got to do it. So I'm currently doing this video at the point where I'm switching out my desk, but there's some b-roll clips of me doing the other things that are currently at my work area. The thing is, they're not vlogged and it's just clips, so I'll just show you the b-roll.
I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I...
Hey guys, so my dad bought the desk, well my mom bought the desk, and my dad kindly brought it upstairs for me, and we're gonna build the desk during our lunch break.
Go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied.
It is now my lunch bell. Let's do it.
Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause
Yeah, I don't think I can do this, so I'm just gonna go eat lunch.
you really make me wanna fly.
Okay, so I finished eating, and when I go in the hallway, which is where we're gonna build the desk, I think, I don't want to talk because my mom is in a meeting, my brother is in his Zoom meeting, his Zoom class, and it's my lunch break, and I shouldn't be, disrespectful and talk to them and stuff. So I won't be talking in the hallway, but I am really scared because I am so scared because the thing is, right, the desk is telling me to drill, like the handbook, the directions are telling me to drill something into a hole that doesn't even, no, screw, I don't even know, it's not even meant for it, and I'm confused, my brain is small, okay?
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Okay, so it's currently break in my class. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you the desk because my dad actually finished it and I'm so happy. But here's the thing, right? So here's like what I've been, like my class stuff and my violin because it's orchestra. But I need to get rid of all the stuff on my desk, basically all the stuff in there and that, before I can take out this desk because there's stuff inside of this desk. And it's kind of messy, so I'm gonna have to clean that out before I can throw out this, well, not throw out this desk, like move this desk away and then move that in here. I don't know where I'm gonna put this desk. I don't really like this desk. It's made out of the same material as the other desk.
When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly.
Okay guys, so class is finally over. Finally. But now I have to work out because my afternoon after school routine requires me to work out now. So I have my yoga mat there, and I have my phone there. I'm gonna work out. Okay, everyone. So, everyone, aka like the 4 people who actually watch my videos. Just kidding, just kidding. I have the desk in, and all the stuff that was on my desk is all scattered around my room, and it's very messy. But now we're gonna move the stuff on my bed to on the new desk, which is gonna be it's so exciting. So I'll put a link to this desk in the description. It's the IKEA Alex desk in white, I think. Yeah, it's really good. It's really nice, and it's been out of stock for so long. I've waited 3 months for this. Like the clips, I think at the very beginning before even the intro, about us going to IKEA. All those clips, yeah, they're from like November. So that's yeah. Actually, the first thing we have to do, even before we do anything, is the wires. Now, if you don't know, this little thing right here is to hold the wires, which is really nice because my wires, look, it's so messy. So let's put that in there first and try to work through things out, because there's like these little holes on either side, and they can go down, and it'll be kind of messy down there, but honestly I don't really care, so let's do it. So originally I was going to show you guys how satisfying this was. By the way, I put you guys on a tripod. But originally I was going to show you guys how satisfying this was because this thing is a perfect fit. Look. Perfect fit. There's no space in between. But then, if you put this charger inside, like this, it can't close. It's like 1 millimeter too high, and I really, really hate it, and I'm really sad. So we're gonna switch this out for another one, probably like an IKEA one, because you know IKEA ones always fit with IKEA ones. Ah, it's stuck. Wait a minute, hold on. Okay, let's go do that. Hello, I am back with 2 different ones. So this one's the IKEA one. Here are its details. Yeah, so that's this one. And then we have another one. It looks like this. And I feel like I want them to fit. But like these wires are significantly shorter than the other one. So we're gonna have to test this out. I have some random stuff just thrown around here. I think this is the final one, so it's time to put it all together. Okay, so now I am set to film, you know, like the special desk tour shots, you know. thank you for watching the video. This video was more of a vlog, and I'm pretty sure I only have one other vlog on this channel. If you like the video, be sure to tell me so that I can make more. Share this video with someone who you think will want to see it, and please subscribe. It's so close to the end of the month, and I'm so close to 100 subscribers. Subscribing would make me so happy, and it's free, and you can always unsubscribe whenever you don't like the content anymore, though I would really appreciate it if you didn't unsubscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!